In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Google Ads. If you've launched a campaign and realized your ads are showing in the wrong place or you're expanding into a new market, this walkthrough will show you how to update the location targeting for a specific campaign quickly and confidently. Start by opening ads.google.com and signing in. From the overview, look to the left-hand navigation and click at Campaigns to see your full list. If you're already viewing a specific campaign, that's fine. The goal is to get into the campaign you want to edit. Select the campaign whose targeting you want to change. Inside the campaign, find Settings. Depending on your layout, settings may appear in the left sidebar or as a tab at the top. Click it to open the campaign level controls. Within Settings, locate the section labeled Locations. This is where Google Ads determines who can see your ads based on geography. Click Locations to expand the controls and view your current targeting. Now make your change. In the search box, type the country you want to target and select it from the suggestions. You can add multiple countries if that's part of your strategy. To stop showing in a country you no longer want, remove it from the list using the X or set it as an excluded location. If your goal is to advertise in one specific country, make sure that country is the only one targeted. You can also search for regions, states, or cities. But if a country level change is your aim, sticking to the full country keeps reporting and optimization straightforward. If you previously used radius or pin targeting, consider replacing those with the country selection to avoid gaps or overlaps. Before leaving this screen, review the location options below, often labeled presence or interest. For clean country level targeting, the setting that reaches people in or regularly in your targeted locations is typically the best default. If your strategy intentionally includes people showing interest in that country, adjust accordingly, but keep in mind this can broaden reach beyond physical presence. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. The update takes effect quickly, though performance may shift as delivery adapts to the new geography. A few closing tips. Changing locations does not affect your billing country or account time zone. It only controls where your ads can appear. After the change, double-check budgets, bids, and ad copy to ensure they align with the new country's currency, language, and context. Over the next few days, monitor your location reports to confirm impressions and clicks are coming from the places you selected, and make small adjustments if needed. That's it. You've successfully changed the country for your Google Ads campaign.